Good evening viewers, this is Ali from Prash Fashions and today I'll be going to show you all exclusive zari border tussar with hand block printing and gun spray without zari border and zari border also. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So COD facility is available only in central Kolkata. For other states you have to do bank transfer, Google Pay, Phone Pay we also accept. So let's start with the sari number 1. It's a slate grey color. It's not jet black, it's a slate grey color. Then we have done a geometrical block print. It's a yellow discharge hand block print. So as you can see on the body there is a kind of a bandhni print. It's a bandhni style print, and then this is a pallu. Just see the paisley design on the pallu, and this is the all over look. This is very pretty and very elegant. I love this sari personally. The color combination and the design. Just have a look. Just see the pretty one. This is the pallu. This is the all over look of the sari. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So whenever we upload the videos you will get the notification. For bulk queries and wholesale queries please do WhatsApp. It's 8296897264. So just see the classy one. This is very classy. And if you want to customize, that we can do on order, on black, on slate grey, whatever background color. If you want any other color combination, so that can be done on order. So this is the all over look of the sari. This is very pretty, very pretty, and just see the blouse and the border is there. This is the sari number 3. It's a combination of orange and the body color is a grey. So there is a self print, as you can see, zigzag line on the pallu and border. So this is how it will come. I'll just show. And the blouse is also printed. I'll just show after this. So just see the pallu of the sari. And this is a leaf design will come. It's a light froza color. On pallu and border there is a self print zigzag lines, as you can see. So this is the all over look of the sari. How it will look, I'll just show. And the blouse is full printed, comes with the sari. This is our very pretty and very classy one. So this is the look of the sari. And this is the pallu and the blouse. So just see the blouse. Blouse is fully printed. When spray, it's a shades of blue, froza, green, red, orange, yellow. So there are so many colors. It's only gun spray, there is no print. So how it will look, I'll just show. Just see the pallu of the sari. And this is the all over look. So this effect is only possible on gun spray. Hand brush or any other kind, dye, it's not possible. It's only gun spray. This effect will come. So just have a look. This is the look of the sari. Just see the color. How many colors are there? 6-7 colors are there. Red, froza, parrot green, yellow. 6 colors are there. And this is the all over look. And there is a blouse. So this is the blouse of the sari. It's a blue color blouse. This is again a gun spray. So again we have put so many colors. I'll start with the pallu. So this is a deep green, parrot green, red, orange, yellow, and half sari will like this. So I'll just show. So on the pallu there is a peacock feather design. So there are so many colors. It's half and half. Just see the design. So this is the pallu of the sari. So this feather design will come like this only, on pallu only. So this is this sea green will come to the pleats and the back side. This blue will come from its back side. So this is the look of the sari. From front, this look will come, and this is the pallu. I'll show you the full sari like this. So this is the one. This is the front side, and this is the This is the back side. So there are so many colors, and this is the sea green blouse. Color is a cream color, and it's a pallu border will be remain same. It's a natural tussar color, so it's a combination of peach and deep peach with the shades of green. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the all over look. There is no zari, without zari border we are showing, and it's all pure gachi. We deal only pure tussar. So this is the all over look of the sari. So just have a look. It's a peach color piping is there, and see the pallu. I'll just show you the closer view. Just see the base color is a cream color, and the tussar color natural color. So you can make out the difference between the border and the body color. So this is very classy saree and very sober, very sophisticated. And the blouse. So this is a peach color blouse with the border is there. Now again the same design in different combination, full same, only the background color is changed. It's a chocolate brown. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. So please do visit our store. It's in New Market, Kolkata 87. It's a Globe Shopping Mall, shop number 102. For bulk queries or wholesale queries, please do WhatsApp. It's 8296897264. So this is the all over look of the sari. This is very pretty one, and the blouse is there. So this is the blouse of the sari. Now let's start with the zari border tussar. So again a gun spray on the pallu. As you can see the effect of green, yellow and brown, so many colors. Then we have done a discharge print, and this is a triangle. It will come to the pallu. Just see it's a navy blue, and then we have put a leaf design, and this is the arrangement, and again the gun spray with the brown. So this is the arrangement print with gun spray. Just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari. This will come like this. I will just show how it will look. So please take the screenshot and send it to the WhatsApp number. So this is the look of the sari. Just see the effect. Pallu. And there is a blouse. So this is the multicolor shaded blouse there. Now again arrangement print. Just see the color combination. It's geometrical with block. So many colors are there. It's a blue, sea green, parrot green. So this is just an arrangement print. Just see the pallu of the sari, and this is the design. And this design will come to the pleats. So this will come to the pleats. It's a lemon yellow color. The base color is a lemon yellow, and it's an arrangement print. So this will come like this. It's a temple half sari, and on the pleats this box will come, and this is a pallu, and there is a blouse. So this is a sea green blouse with the border. This is a floral paint. It's a combination of orange, and the base color is a light cream color with the combination of orange, shades of gray and light green. It's a very pale green. So just see the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. Just see the design. The color is so nice. The base color is a light cream color. It's with orange. So we do wholesale and bulk. So do WhatsApp regarding any queries 8296897264. So this is the all over look of the sari, and this is the pallu. Let's just show you the closer view of this painting. And the blouse is orange. Again the zari border tussar. So it's a combination of it's a shaded, it's a light deep to light. As you can see, the deep maroon, then light, then peach. So this design will come to the skirt. So how it will look, I'll just show. It's a shaded gun spray, deep to light. So this is the pallu, and this is the body. Just see the body color, maroon, deep maroon, light, then peach color. This is very pretty and it's outstanding, this color combination. So this is the all over look of the sari. Just have a look. And this is the pallu. This is the all over look. This is the pallu, and there is a blouse. So this is the maroon blouse. This is the kalamkari print. Just see the color combination. It's only jet black with the indigo blue pallu border and blouse. So just see the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. So this design is, personally I like this design, so I keep experiment this design in so many combination. This design is very hit, and in future also I keep experimenting different combination. So this is the look, all over look, pallu. Just show you the closer view of this print. So this is the print, not hand painting, and there is a pallu, and there is a blouse. So this is the blouse of the sari. So this is the light rust or brownish color, I will say. It's not proper or not proper rust. So in between this color is there. So but the color is so nice. It's a rustic orange, I will say. So this is a hand painting on from pallu till so this shoulder will come. So this is the bird sitting on the tree. This is a hand painting, and this will come to the lower skirt. Just see the pallu of the sari. This design will come. So these are all our own manufacturing. So if you like the design and want to change the color combination, so that can be done on order. We take customized order also. So this is the look of the sari, and this is the pallu. It's a very pretty and very classy one. The color, design, everything. And this is the blouse. As you can see, it's a pallu. So there is so many colors. It's a deep green, parrot green, then yellow, red, sea green. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is very pretty one. Just see the pallu of the sari, and how many colors are there. So this is the pallu of the sari, and on the pleats part there will be a sea green and blue will come. I'll just wrap how it looks, you just see. So just have a look. So this, sorry, on the back portion, so blue will come. This is the back portion. So just have a look. So this is the look of the sari, and this is the pallu. This is very pretty one. I'll just show you the full sari view. The price of the saris are 5350. So this is the all over look of the sari, and this is the blouse. It's a sea green blouse. So this is the last sari of this episode. So it's a combination of black and grey, as the pallu border will be grey and the body will be a jet black with the combination of rani pink, white and yellow. So this is the all over print. It's a hand painting. So I'll just show how it will look. So this is the pallu of the sari. This is the all over look. this is a very pretty design. It's a hand painting, and there is a blouse. So this is the blouse of the sari. So thank you so much for watching and joining. Please do share the video. If you like the saris, please do share. And as I always mention, please take the screenshot and send it to the WhatsApp number. It's 829-689-7264. And we are located in Globe Mall, shop number 102. It's a new market, Kolkata 87. For the wholesale and bulk queries, please do WhatsApp. So please share the video as much as you can.